People versus Theron Leach.
Royce Nunley appearing on behalf of the defendant.
And you received the pre-sentence investigation. Any comments before I sentence Mr. Leach? I have a note that this was a plea that was taken November the 19th on impaired driving.
That is correct. Yeah, so this is his first offense. He was honorably discharged from the Marine Corps, I believe, in 2016. He reported, according to this assessment here, that he drank about once a month. And he's indicated that he's never really been a drinker. You know, he would just occasionally, like family would be over, he would have a couple of beers. In the light of COVID and how everything is made to be more difficult, we would ask the court to maybe consider less hours of community service instead of 48, just for the practicality purposes. And maybe for the court to consider not making him come in and test once a month. He does have a pretty good job with Mitsubishi where he's making 25.
Well, he's gonna, for his testing, I'll reduce it to 3 months of testing instead of, if he tests negative for the 3 months. He doesn't come into the court anyway. It'll be directed at Jams. Right. So he can pick a Jams that's by his house.
Okay, thank you.
And then there's an hour either before work or after work that he can do it. And although I'm going to put him on probation for 6 months, I mean, we recognize, and by the way, Mr. Leach, I appreciate your service. That after a minimum of 4 months, that he can be terminated early if he does everything else that's expected of him. I will reduce the community service hours in half to 24 hours.
Thank you, Jay.
Okay, I am going to put you on probation for 6 months. It is $600 in fines and costs. You have to pay the state costs, the probation costs, and the victim's fund fee, restitution of Huron Township. I amended the community service hours to 24 hours. Attend a level 2 alcohol education program within 30 days. Testing monthly for 2 to 3 months, and Ms. Rapp can terminate it as long as you're testing negative. Okay. She's going to send you a probation order. You'll meet with her like this on Zoom. You won't have to come to the court or anything for probation reporting. She can answer any questions, help you with anything, anything that you need. Okay. Do you have any other questions?
No.
Okay, then you're all set. Thank you very much. Thanks, Mr. Nunley.
Thanks, Judge. We'll see you later.
Thank you.
Yep, thanks.
Bye, Dan. Bye, Dan.